Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are new to video editing and you want to create amazing videos on your phone, Capcut is one of the best free apps that you can use. It is super easy to use and you can create professional looking videos in no time without needing any expensive software. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the basics of using Capcut in your mobile phone, whether you are creating TikToks, YouTube shorts, or just editing a fun video. I will guide you through everything that you need to know to get started with Capcut. But before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links of all the resources mentioned in today's video down in the description box below. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we will start by downloading and setting up our Capcut application. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you need to just search for Capcut. Once you are able to find the Capcut application, you just have to tap on the download button and you just have to install this application in your device. Now once it is installed successfully, the interface of this app will look something like this, where you will be greeted with the home screen. Now over here you will see the new project option. So this is basically the section where you can start creating your project. Underneath it you will see the projects section, where you will see all of your created projects, or I would say previously created projects. So first of all, tap on the new project option and your gallery will be opened in front of you. Over here from your albums, you just have to select that particular video which you want to edit in Capcut. After selecting it, you need to tap on the add option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and as you can see that now that video is in my timeline. Over here you can start your editing. So first of all, you can just select the video that you have added in your timeline, and after selecting that video you will see a bunch of different options in the bottom, like split, speed, animation, effects, delete, enhance video, isolated, and so on. So we will start with basics. Like first of all, you need to just tap on the video in the timeline and you can trim and split it. So you need to select it and tap on the split option, and as you can see that now the video is split into two parts. Similarly, you can just edit this video by tapping on the edit button, and if you want to increase or decrease the speed of the video, you just have to select the audio option, and from here you can either provide the sounds that are presented in Capcut, or you can give it your own sound to it. If you want to add text to it, you just have to tap on the text option, add text, and here you can provide anything. Let's say I type hi everyone. So this is the text. You can customize your text here. So you will see a bunch of different customization options for your text, like you can make it bold, you can animate the text, and you can change the style of it. You can provide anything over here with your text. So if you want to add transition and effects, that is also possible here. So you just have to select your video timeline again, and here you will see the animations option. So you can select any of the animations that are given over here. Next we have the option of effects, so you can provide select any of the effects that are present here. So this way you can start using Capcut for your video editing. You just have to go through some of the details, and according to your project you can do that. You can use them in your timeline. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.